Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Thomas and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a test to see that if driving aggressively versus driving nicely actually makes a difference. Now most of us drive somewhere in the middle like myself, but there is a person that we all know that drives with a featherweight Tinkerbell foot as they're driving along and barely accelerates. And then we also all know somebody who absolutely mashes their foot like it's made of lead and yoke whenever they're driving around. So we're gonna see if driving differently actually makes a difference, and I'm sure it does. So we're also gonna find out how much of a difference it actually makes. I'm currently driving a brand new 2019 Nissan Armada Platinum lent to me by the Fish Creek Nissan dealership here in Calgary. I'll link their stuff down below if you want to go check them out. This vehicle weighs 2,684 kilograms. So basically I'm driving a Chieftain tank. And for you car nerds out there just like myself, I have a 5.6 liter V8 engine with 32 valves in the front of this Armada. So absolutely massive engine. It puts out 390 horsepower and 394 pound-foot of torque. So I have a lot of power underneath my right foot at the moment. Currently though, I'm driving around a loop I created that has a lot of different driving styles, and I'm doing the nice Tinkerbell version right now. I'm trying to keep the revs under 2,000 the entire time. I'm accelerating very slowly. So I just filled up and have a full tank of gas, and I'm just around the loop that I made. And the reason I made the loop the way I did is because this has a highway on it. It has a school zone. There's a few lights and a couple stop signs, but nothing that's gonna hold me up and affect the different laps very much. And I just wanna see how all this comes together to affect this specific vehicle. Because if anything is gonna go through gas, it's gonna be this Armada. If I was to do the same thing in a Honda Civic, the gas number at the end wouldn't be the same. So what I'm gonna be doing is I just fueled up, I'm doing a loop back to the gas station, I'll be filling up again, writing down the number, and then I'll be doing this entire lap again, mashing my foot the entire time, while definitely staying within the speed limit. And then I'll be going back, filling up again, and comparing how much I have to pay to fill up my vehicle. And there's a couple of other ways to do this, but I thought this would just be the best. So without further ado, back to the gas station. Alright, so I spent $4.01 on 3.375 liters of gas. So the price of gas right now is 1.189 for a liter of fuel. So 4.01, I'm not sure what that means yet. We'll find out if that's good in a second here. Time to floor it. Oh my god. 6,000 revs. Oh. Alright. And what we have here, $5.26 in total. So I spent $1.25 more on that trip that took me around 21 minutes to do according to Google Maps. So you're spending about 20% more. There you have it. Now you know. I'm not going to encourage mashing your foot everywhere you go because I definitely didn't get here any faster. That round trip probably took me the exact same time both times. All I found that by mashing my foot was I just got to red lights faster. I didn't necessarily get around quicker. But hey, if that's your thing, it's your thing. I don't want to say that accelerating fast after a red light is necessarily illegal. But anyway, my name is Thomas. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I want to thank you guys so much for joining this community on YouTube. I honestly think that the automotive online community is one of the most powerful and one of the most dedicated as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.